How to fix unable to create a username in WhatsApp. Now, if you want to create a username for the first time in WhatsApp and you are unable to create that for some reasons, you can do it very easily by following few methods that could help you. The first one is to update your application to the latest version. If you have the older version of the WhatsApp that might cause some issues, in order to fix it, you can update it to the latest version. And the second method here to fix your issue is to go to your username section in the settings and open the username page. Then when you create username from here, you just simply need to type your desired username. For example, let's say John something random letters, and it says this is available and I can easily save it. But if you are getting something other than it is available, for example, let's say the username is not available, in this case you can tap to suggest a username and it will give you some random numbers which will make your username available, and you can very easily set it, or you can change the username entirely by yourself until the available username will be visible in here. And like this you can very easily take the suggestions in order to get a username and save it as well. And by following these methods, you will be able to set or create username in WhatsApp. I hope this video was informative. If yes, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.